everybody and welcome back to Freeform Lifestyle and another very festive recipe today. So I'm making some sausage roll twirls and these can be made in the oven or your air fryer and they're super tasty, great if you've got people coming over or to make and serve on Christmas Day, Boxing Day, New Year's. I mean, these are so versatile, these are super yummy, really simple to make, and I'm going to show you how. Okay, so let's show you how easy these are to make. I've got some sausage meat here, which I've pre-bought. This is just a supermarket one, but they are pretty good, a lot of the supermarket ones. It's naturally gluten-free as well, which is great if you do require that. Now this has got in it white pepper, nutmeg, black pepper. It's got some herbs in there as well. So we've already got lots of flavour here, but we're going to add some more. So let's put the sausage meat in the bowl. And we can just give that a little bit of a fork just to mix that up. Absolutely love all the festive food this time of year. So good for sharing with your family and your friends. And we're going to make these extra special. I've got some bacon. And now with the bacon, I find the easiest thing to do is literally grab some scissors. And we want just some small pieces of bacon. This is just going to add another dimension and another flavour. And I mean, what better combo really of sausage meat or just basically sausage and bacon in general. I mean, it's probably one of my favourite sandwiches to have. I'm keeping this small because obviously we want to make sure that this cooks really nicely in there. It's not too fatty, it has got some fat, but obviously that is what is going to make it taste super delicious. When you're making sausage rolls, there's really no rules, is there? You can add in what you like. Of course, if you want a little bit of cranberry sauce in here, then you could do that. Or if you wanted to add a little bit of brie or camembert, again, you can do that. But this is just my version for today. I absolutely adore the build up to Christmas. Christmas Eve is probably my favourite day because I love doing all the cooking, all the prep. This year's a little bit different for us because we are going away to Lapland, which is so exciting. So I'm not going to be cooking, although I probably will be cooking in Lapland for everybody, but not in the same way as we do at home. So that's my bacon added. Again, you can add as much bacon as you like. I've just gone with the 2 pieces here. All mixed in. Now let's add some extra flavour. I've got some fresh chives here. Of course, you don't have to use fresh ones, but I've got these. Probably going to go everywhere, aren't they? But I love some chives in this. I think it makes it really tasty. Again, add as much as you want. I think that's good. I've got some dried sage here. So let's have a little bit of sage because that always goes so well. And it always feels a little bit Christmassy, doesn't it? Just thought cranberries would be really nice in this as well. Do we put cranberries in? Garlic powder. A little bit of black pepper. I'm not going to put any salt in because bacon is quite salty, so we'll leave out the salt. Roll out our sheet of puff pastry. Now I'm going to turn it this way and we're going to cut it in half, about half. Now all we need to do is get our meat and lay that out on one side. Now grab your top layer and lay that over the meat and then just press that down. And now we just need to cut those into strips. So I'm going to start down the middle. Now we'll just pick up this one at the end, just pull that apart. And now we can twist it. So twist it like this until you've got a really nice twirl.
Winter's here, the snow is falling on our car as we drive for miles to that little town called home.
You want to crack an egg so that we can give these a lovely egg wash glaze. And then make sure you get all of that pastry coated in the egg wash. It really makes all the difference. Will make them really glossy and also really golden. I'm going to put these in my air fryer, but of course you can get these in the oven if you prefer. There's quite a lot of meat in these, so you want to make sure that that is cooked. Every air fryer is going to vary. I think the best thing to do is probably lower the heat slightly, maybe like 180, and then just cook them for that little bit longer just to ensure that they are fully cooked inside. Let's close the lid on those and get those onto air fry. As I said, I'm going to put the temperature down a little bit, I think 180, and just because we want the meat to cook. And let's try 14 minutes and see what they look like. Hello Christmas is all I can say. Look at these, they are crispy. You've got like slight crusty bits of the meat there. They are just cooked beautifully. So they were air fried, as I said, 180. I'm just gonna pull that one apart so you can have a better look in there. Look, crispy. Let's have a dunk. And I'm gonna have a taste. Here we go. I know it's gonna be good. That is so delicious. Let me know in the comments if you give them a try. I could eat so many of them. They are so nice. My husband just said to me, are these the pig's tails? I was like, oh my God, yeah. That's exactly what they look like, don't they? The little curly ones. Anyway, these are beautiful. I always like pastry cooked better in the air fryer than I do in the oven. But either way, they're still going to be absolutely gorgeous. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. And hopefully I'll see you next time for another Christmas recipe.